The substandard practices of operation and maintenance, the reality of small-scale hydropowers in Nepal. Hydropower systems are capital-intensive assets that can produce significant amount of revenue and energy for many decades, provided they are operated efficiently and maintained to a high standard. A hydropower system that is operated and maintained suboptimally can suffer a significant reduction in energy production and revenue, even though operating costs remain constant. It is a good thing that hydropower sector is blooming in Nepal. New hydropower plants developing in Nepal are providing greater control and independence in managing its energy requirements. But there is one serious issue that needs to be addressed. That is lack of standardization of operation and maintenance procedure and the existing power plants. The importance of planned maintenance, or say preventive maintenance, is highly ignored in the case of small-scale hydropowers in Nepal, either due to ignorance or due lack of knowledge. Most of this small-scale hydropower management team heavily rely on the breakdown or reactive maintenance only. It should be well understood that the unplanned reactive maintenance can be costly and damaging to the assets of power plants. Operation and maintenance of power plants should focus on maximizing efficiency and durability of the assets. The hydropower management team should be more open for the routine and preventive maintenance by the reliable and professional team, depending only on the unplanned corrective maintenance by on-site staffs without assessing the actual status of machines, and proper supervision may save few thousands up front, but leaves high chances for losses in lakhs or even crores in near future. The planned maintenance with preventive measures may add few thousands up front and operation and maintenance cost, but it guarantees to pay back with high efficiency and durability of machines in the long run. I again stress more on the phase that the hydropower management team should get rid of the saving in thousands but losing in lakhs mentality and become more sensible and responsible in proper management of powerhouse operation and maintenance cost. Let us see what are the factors contributing to the unjustified higher cost of the operation and maintenance of the powerhouse equipment. Number 1, operation and maintenance cost get higher in the form of power loss, early equipment damages, frequent spare parts replacement, too much wastage of consumable items such as lubricating oil, carbon brushes, contactors, relays, seals, insulators, early failure of motors, early damages of bearing and coupling, etc. And the top reason behind this cause is the suboptimal operation and maintenance of the equipment by untrained site staff rather than specialized service providers. The site staffs may lack the proper maintenance training, and fail to properly assess the details of actual status of the machine, and may lead to ignore important steps during maintenance and only get noticed later, when it is too late, and suffer heavy losses. Maintenance cost gets higher when the issues are further complicated by untrained site staffs or unreliable professionals. There is the possibility that the increased costs are due to improper alignment and fitting, underrated equipment, compromised quality issues associated with replacement parts. Reason number 3, due to lack of reliable technical support services, hydropower management team are forced to rely totally on site staff, who have limited in-house capabilities to perform all the work themselves. They only depend on unplanned reactive maintenance. This practice of unplanned maintenance fails to create a process of systematic risk assessment, work prioritization, inventory control and strategic planning. Due to lack of proper inventory management and risk assessment, the operators are forced to bypass some systems or replace with low-quality equipment during substandard processes to continue the power generation. This substandard practice of operation and maintenance only invites serious disaster to the powerhouse and its assets, and exponentially increasing the maintenance cost. Let us see what are the top reasons behind the substandard operation and maintenance practice in Nepal. 1. Absence of right technical person in the powerhouse management team. 2. Absence of right technical team on the site responsible for day-to-day operation of the powerhouse. 3. Too much dependency on unplanned corrective maintenance. 4. Too much of local staffing who are untrained and also may be disloyal to the company. 5. Lack of routine maintenance and preventive maintenance. 6. Lack of record-keeping of maintenance logs. 7. Lack of professional supervision of annual maintenance works. 8. Lack of employee appreciation and motivation. 9. Lack of proper inventory management and pre-planning of maintenance. 10. Lack of powerhouse assessment tools and processes. 11. Lack of standard operating procedures. 12. Absence of technical drawings and manuals. So, we have presented you the importance of standard and preventive maintenance practices for the efficiency, profitability and durability of the powerhouse. We are one of the trusted operation and maintenance consultant for small-scale hydropowers in Nepal.
We are Runhydro. We specialize in engineering services for renewable energy and technologies. We also specialize in offering complete operation and maintenance services for hydropower projects.